Next, we want to talk about efficient data collection and organization. So we want to make sure that we have good data to begin with. And what I mean by good data, it's hard to explain what bad data looks like unless you've seen it. But good data is going to fit into a spreadsheet. There are going to be rows, there are going to be columns. The columns have either numeric data or data that is text, and it is consistent and it is good, pretty data. And if you have that good data, that's going to allow for accurate analysis, but it's also going to save you and your teachers a ton of time. And the more time you save, the more you can reduce that frustration that comes with looking at data and having to reflect on data. And then we also then have the ability to have those meaningful insights, have those good conversations, and then eventually that informed action. You want to make sure you identify your goals, and there are two questions I put there that are going to help you kind of narrow down what your goals are when you start collecting that data. So what questions are you trying to answer, and what data sources are relevant? So if you're trying to figure out what's going on with attendance, then your question might be, when is our attendance the lowest? What day of the week is our attendance the lowest?